invisible investments the rich use that no one talks about. Have you ever wondered how the rich keep getting richer, even during economic downturns? It's not just about stocks, real estate, or flashy businesses. They've got a few hidden investments up their sleeve, ones they'd rather you didn't know about. Today on The Rich Reveal, we're diving into the secret investments the wealthy make that rarely get talked about. Stick around because we're not only unveiling these invisible assets, but also showing you how to use some of these strategies yourself. Most people focus on obvious investments, stocks, bonds, maybe some real estate. But the rich, they're investing in things you can't see in a portfolio. These hidden assets are often worth more than traditional investments, yet no one's talking about them. And that's exactly what keeps the doors to wealth firmly closed to most people. Let's crack those doors open. Starting with number 1, intellectual property and digital assets. One of the most powerful investments the rich make is in intellectual property. This isn't just about patents or inventions. It's anything they create that generates income, like apps, ebooks, original art, or even software licenses. Think of an ebook that keeps selling without any extra effort. It's like having a digital asset that works for you day and night. While it might not be tangible, its income certainly is. 2, reputation capital. This next invisible investment is something you won't find in a financial portfolio, but is arguably just as valuable: reputation. High net worth individuals know that their personal brand and reputation are powerful assets that open doors and attract lucrative opportunities. Reputation capital involves investing time and resources into networking, personal branding, and strategic public relations. It's not about being flashy, it's about building trust, authority, and credibility in specific circles. Number 3, private networks and exclusive groups. Many wealthy individuals are part of private networks or exclusive groups. These aren't just social clubs, they're investment opportunities. These networks give them access to insider deals, early-stage investments, and market insights the average investor never hears about. Think about it. If you're hearing about an opportunity on the news, the wealthy have already been in on it for months. Number 4, media production rights. Here's a big one people often overlook: media production rights. Owning the rights to content, like a movie, music catalog, or popular YouTube channel, generates royalties for years. It's a high initial investment, but one that produces steady income over time, even decades. Imagine getting paid every time a song you own is played, or a show you invested in is streamed. Number 5, wine, art, and classic car collections. The wealthy don't just buy art and wine because it looks good. They do it because it holds and grows value. Unlike a luxury car that depreciates, rare wines, fine art, and classic cars are assets that often appreciate with time, especially when well-maintained. This is called passion investing, where they invest in what they love while also preserving wealth. Last but not least, private equity in emerging markets. Another area the rich invest in is private equity in emerging markets. These are high-risk, high-reward investments, often in startups in tech, healthcare, or other growth industries in countries like India, Brazil, or Southeast Asia. Because these investments are less accessible to everyday investors, they give the rich a chance to get in on the ground floor of potentially booming industries. So, how can you start incorporating some of these strategies into your life? Here's a tip: start small and focus on what's achievable right now. For example, build your own intellectual property. Whether it's a blog, an ebook, a course, or even a YouTube channel, digital assets can be built with minimal investment and become passive income sources over time. Networking might take some time, but look for local meetups, LinkedIn groups, or even online forums where you can make valuable connections. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who could benefit from this knowledge. And remember, the secret to building wealth is often in doing what others aren't willing to do or don't know about. So make sure you're subscribed to The Rich Reveal, where we share the secrets the rich don't want you to know. Drop us a comment below if you'd like to learn more about any of these hidden investments, and hit that like button if you found value in this video. See you next time.